welcome to the first miniatures video on the YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be painting a Black Panther miniature that I recently purchased from Mighty Lancer Games in Bridlington. It's not going to be a tutorial as such, but I will be talking through the process as I paint through, and a lot of it is going to be time-lapsed. Without any further ado, here we go.
So the first thing that I had to do obviously was get the arms attached to the miniature and then get some PVA on the base ready to adjust the sand on the top. Now these bases that come with the Marvel miniatures are textured, but I'm not a particular fan of those. Once it was all nice and based, it's outside to spray it black, ready for painting. And there we have it, one finished Black Panther model. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you're new here. Only joking, guys. Now that the model is sprayed, I'm going to get the base painted. I use a dark grey base followed by a light grey dry brush on all my Marvel miniatures for a nice urban feel. Now that the base is finished, it's time to start on the model itself. Because it's all black, it's a lot of steady highlight work. You don't want to go too grey too quick, as this can then make the model look grey rather than black. Did love the costume from the MCU films, but I couldn't find any images online of this model painted up like them. So I consulted with a fellow painter whose opinion I trust, and we both agreed that the best way would be to highlight different areas in purple to show the kinetic energy being absorbed. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. Finally, I added some white to the necklace and eyes. Normally I'd use off-white as it can look too bright on a normal model, but because this is mainly black, I decided to go with bright white for a nice contrast. And there he is, King T'Challa in all his glory.
So there you have it, guys, one finished Black Panther model. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you very much for watching the video. If you made it all the way to the end, please leave a comment letting me know what you thought, and be sure to hit like and subscribe.